Welcome back to my channel, and now I am need download driver XP LaserJet CP6000 the serial. This here the you type the driver download and please write and search the official website for you. I am like the download for the official website. The official website not available driver and driver support update and quick to download. Okay. This year for the XP called LaserJet 6000 print software and driver and click here. This year for Sport 6000 CP6000 serial. This year for the tag automatic for the Windows 11 and you click change the shows different operating system. You click here. This here for the operating system for the Linux the driver. Click change this here for the firmware. Not this here for the driver. You click lead more. This here for the Mac Mac driver, not support for new driver Mac, and this here for old driver Mac, and this here for the Windows driver. You click version. This here for support Windows 11 new driver, new operating system for the Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9.1 driver, Windows 7 driver, Windows Vista driver, Windows XP driver, Windows 200 2000 driver. This is for the Windows Server driver. This is for support all driver for Windows. This is for this video we cover for the driver Windows 11. If you click Windows 11, okay. This is for the driver Windows 11 support XP LaserJet 3 6000. This is for the driver universal print. This is for new update release. This is for field site. This support manager service for the Windows. This is for connect USB and this is for the firmware. This is all the update the driver. I am recommendation for you. You download here. This here you download and you if you need download you click here. This here for the information again for the system of operation for the Windows 11, XP Universal Print Driver for the Windows 11 driver. If you need to install, you click. If you need to download, you click here or click here. I am testing. Click here. This one. Okay. This one website loading. This here the driver. If you need install driver for the your printer, I am instruction for you. You turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and you please write the finish driver download. You click run as driver or you click open the driver and click double click for the driver automatic install for the cable printer. Okay, this here for detect automatic for the cable printer. You click next and click finish and easy to install. If you need a question, comment below. If you need link download below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video.